A Maryland mother is using her personal tragedy to help other women in need. Amy Castillo's husband killed their 3 children. She says she was denied a protective order that may have helped. Well, now she's pushing lawmakers for change. Fox 5's Sherri Ly has the story.
When Amy Castillo's husband Mark killed her 3 children nearly 2 years ago, she knew he'd carried out his threat.
She said, well, really the worst thing I could do would be to kill the children and not you, so you have to live without them.
15 months earlier, she told a Montgomery County judge the same story, but he denied her protective order because there wasn't, quote, clear and convincing evidence.
It went from threats to now they're dead. There wasn't anything in between.
So Castillo went to Annapolis to fight for the protection her children, 6-year-old Anthony, 4-year-old Austin, and 2-year-old Athena, did not get. She testified during a House Judiciary hearing in support of a bill that lowers the standard for protective orders to a preponderance of evidence.
Maryland is the only state that uses this clear and convincing standard. At least 3 times before, lawmakers in Annapolis have tried to make it easier for someone to get a protective order. Each time, it's failed.
People are in dangerous situations, and in Amy's case, the dear children lost their lives because of our high standard of proof in Maryland. That's unacceptable.
Delegate Sue Heck, the bill's main sponsor, ran a domestic violence center for 12 years.
We had a woman shot in the face in my home county this year. She had been denied a final protection order in 2 counties before she was shot in the face.
Even with a protective order, critics say enforcement is sometimes lacking, but at least it gives victims another tool.
So you have to have something in place where not only the woman feels like she's being backed up, but there's teeth behind that.
And I never tried to get a protective order again because I felt like not only was it not helpful, it was useless. It made him much more angry.
Castillo says she can look back now and say, "I told you so," and wonders if she got the protective order, would her children be alive? In Annapolis, Sherri Ly, Fox 5 News.